Welcome to Total Knowledge Zone. Subscribe to Total Knowledge Zone and also press the bell icon so that you keep getting notifications of the videos. Today, in this video, I will solve all the questions of Himachal Pradesh Judicial Service Preliminary Exam Papers, 2014 Civil Law.
आज हम बात करते हैं पेपर 2 सिविल लॉ 2। इसका प्रोसीजर सेम रहेगा। टाइमिंग 1 आवर्स। Question number 1. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court held that even the wife of a void marriage is entitled to maintenance? Option A. Amarjit Kaur vs. Harbhajan Singh 2003 10 SCC 228. B. Nirmala Devi vs. Ramdas 2001 2 SCC 4. C. Chand Dhawan vs. Jawaharlal Dhawan 1993 3 SCC 406. D. Ramesh Chandra vs. Veena Kaushal AIR 1976 SC 1807. इसका राइट आंसर है ए अमरजीत कौर वर्सेस हरभजन सिंह 2003 10 SCC 228. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. फाइंड करेक्ट आंसर यूजिंग कोड्स गिवन बिलो. असर्शन ए. ऑप्शन ऑफ प्यूबर्टी इज एन इजी प्रोसेस टू repudiate the marriage under Hindu law. Reason R. Option of puberty is not an easy process to repudiate the marriage under Muslim law. ये आएगा कोड्स में. A is correct but R is incorrect. B. A and R both are correct. C. R is correct but A is not correct. D. A and B both are not correct. इसका राइट आंसर है D. A and R both are correct. Question number 3. Find correct answer using codes given below. Assertion A. Shrutis and Smritis from the greatest treasure house of Hindu religion are. Shrutis and Smritis are considered immemorial, timeless and eternal. Code A. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but is correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. इसका राइट आंसर है B. Both A and R are true but is correct explanation of A. Question number 4. The junior widow has adopted a child without the consent of senior widow before H.A.M. Act 1956. Decide the adoption. A. Valid. B. Void. C. Voidable. D. None of these. इसका राइट आंसर है C. Voidable. Question number 5. In which states where a widow may adopt a child without an express authority from her husband before H.A.M. Act 1956? A. Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. B. Madras and Bombay. C. Bihar and Madhya Pradesh. D. UP and Himachal Pradesh. इसका राइट आंसर है B. Madras and Bombay. Question number 6. Daughter has become a co-partnership by virtue of the Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005 under A. Section 5 of HS Amendment Act 2005. B. Section 6 of HS Amendment Act 2005. C. Section 6 for Clause 1 of HS Amendment Act 2005. D. None of the above. इसका राइट आंसर है C. Section 6 Clause 1 of HS Amendment Act 2005. Question number 7. Partition can be reopened under what circumstances? A. Removal of disability. B. Fraud. C. After son born. D. All of these. इसका राइट आंसर है D. All of these. Question number 8. मिताक्षरा commentary was written by whom? A. जिमुतमना. B. विजनाश्वरा या विजनावालक्या. C. चिंतामणि. D. None of these. इसका राइट आंसर है B. विजनाश्वरा या विजनावालक्या. Question number 9. A. Marriage. B. The widow of his elder brother under Hindu law. The marriage is valid. B. Void. C. Voidable. D. None of these. इसका राइट आंसर है B. Void. Question number 10. In ancient Hindu marriage, which one is approved form of marriage? A. Brahma. B. Divya. C. Prajapatya. D. Asura. इसका राइट आंसर है A. Brahma. Question number 11. A contract may be vitiated by 1 पे है fraud, 2 mistake, 3 frustration और 4 undue influence. Find correct answer using codes. A. Only 1 is correct. B. Only 1 and 2 are correct. C. Only 1, 2 and 3 are correct. D. All are correct. इसका राइट आंसर है D. All are correct. Question number 12. Essential of valid contract is A. Meeting of mind. B. Meeting of parties. C. Meeting to discuss consideration. D. Meeting to discuss proposal and acceptance. इसका राइट आंसर है A. Meeting of mind. Question number 13. Tender is A. An offer. B. An invitation of offer. C. A counter offer. D. अ प्रॉमिस। इसका राइट आंसर है बी, एन इन्विटेशन ऑफ ऑफर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, एन एग्रीमेंट नॉट enforceable by law is stated to be void under A. Section 2 Clause D of Contract Act B. Section 2 Clause C of Contract Act C. Section 2 Clause F of Contract Act and D. Section 2 Clause G of Contract Act. इसका राइट आंसर है D. Section 2G of Contract Act. Question number 15. Get correct answer using code given below. Assertion A. A proposal when accepted result in an agreement horizon R. It is only after the acceptance of the proposal that a contract between the two parties can arise. Code A. Both A and R are true and R is correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true and R is not correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. इसका राइट आंसर है A. Both A and R are true and R is correct explanation of A. Question number 16. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer by using the codes given below the lists. List 1, List 2. A. चंद्रदास मुंशी वर्सेस गंगा प्रसाद दास मुंशी, वन में है फ्रॉड। मिथुलाल नायक वर्सेस LIC ऑफ इंडिया, अनड्यू इन्फ्लुएंस। सी. सत्याव्रता घोष वर्सेस मगनीराम बेंगोर, व्यूवर। डी. जगत बंधु चटर्जी वर्सेस नीलिमा रानी, फ्रस्ट्रेशन ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट। ये कोड में दिए गए हैं 1, 2, 3 एंड 4। अब देखो इसमें हमने सबसे पहले चेक करना है हमारा कहाँ क्या आ रहा है, बी और ए। इसका राइट आंसर है ए, बी, ए, डी, सी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 17. मैच लिस्ट 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer by using the code given below the lists. List 1, List 2. A. Agreement in restraint of legal proceedings, section 28 में। B. Agreement in restraint of marriage, section 31 में। C. Wagering contract, section 26. D. Contingent contract, section 30. ये कोड में दिए गए हैं और हमने इसका राइट आंसर इसी से ही सिलेक्ट करना है। इसका राइट आंसर है बी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. Arrange the following concepts in sequence in which they occur using codes given below. 1. Offer, 2. Acceptance, 3. Damage, 4. Damages. Code. इसका राइट आंसर है डी। इसमें सबसे पहले आएगा ऑफर, नंबर 2 पे आएगा एक्सेप्टेंस, नंबर 3 पे आएगा डैमेज और 4 पे आएगा डैमेजेस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. An agreement not pursue legal remedies but to refer the dispute to the arbitrator under section 28 of Contract Act is A. Valid, B. Void, C. Voidable, D. Enforceable. इसका राइट आंसर है A. Valid. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. Goods displayed in a shop with a price tag is A या N. A. Offer, B. Invitation to offer, C. Counter offer, D. None of these. इसका राइट आंसर है B. Invitation to offer. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer by using the codes given below the lists. List 1, List 2. इसमें बताया गया है कि कौन सा सेक्शन किसमें आता है, जैसे कि ए. सब्रोगेशन, नंबर 1 ये सेक्शन 94 में आएगा या किसी और चीज में। बी. राइट्स ऑफ मेंस मोर्टगेजी, नंबर 2 पे आएगा सेक्शन 126। सी. यूनिवर्सल डोनिंग, सेक्शन 92। डी. रिवोकेशन ऑफ गिफ्ट, सेक्शन 128। इसमें हमने कोर्स दिए हैं, इसमें कोर्स के जरिए इसको आपने राइट आंसर निकालना है। इसमें इसका राइट आंसर है सी। इसमें यही देखा गया है राइट ऑफ मेंस मोर्टगेजी और फिर डी आएगा रिवोकेशन ऑफ गिफ्ट, फिर ए सब्रोगेशन, उसके बाद सी यूनिवर्सल डोनिंग। ये इसका राइट आंसर है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. यूनिवर्सल डोनिंग इज डिफाइंड अंडर ए सेक्शन 127 TPA। ये आपका क्वेश्चन है ट्रांसफर एंड प्रॉपर्टी एक्ट। बी. सेक्शन 126 TPA, सी. सेक्शन 125 TPA, डी. सेक्शन 128 TPA। इसका राइट आंसर है डी. सेक्शन 128 TPA। क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग केसेस द सुप्रीम कोर्ट हैड हेल्ड दैट देयर इज नो बैन ऑन द ट्रांसफर ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इन फेवर ऑफ एन अनबॉर्न पर्सन। सेक्शन 20 permits an interest being created for the benefit of an unborn person who acquires interests upon his birth. A. FM Devaru Ganpati Bhai versus B. Ganpati Bhai AIR 2004 SC 2665. B. Rajesh Kanta Roy versus Shanti Devi AIR 1957 SC 255. C. Rukman Bhai versus Shivram AIR 1981 SC 881. D. Kokilam Bal versus N. Raman AIR AIR 2005 SC 2468। इसका राइट आंसर है ए। FM देवारू गणपति भाई वर्सेस P गणपति भाई AIR 2004 SC 2665। क्वेश्चन नंबर 24 और ट्रांसफर्स प्रॉपर्टी टू बी इन ट्रस्ट फॉर C and directs B to give possession of the property to C when he attains the age of 25. C is entitled to possession at the age of 18 years under section A. Section 25 Transfer Property Act B. Section 21 Transfer and Property Act C. Section 19 Transfer Property Act D. Section 13 Transfer and Property Act. इसका राइट आंसर है C. Section 19 Transfer and Property Act. Question number 25. A settled property in favor of B, authorizing him to collect rent of his house. A created in favor of B is A. Vested interest B. No vested interest C. Contingent interest D. None of these. इसका राइट आंसर है B. No vested interest. 26. Match the list 1 with list 2 and select the answer with the help of codes given below. List 1. Name of the case. List 2. Section Transfer Property Act. A. Kokilam Pal versus Endramal AIR 2005 SC 2468. Section 14 में आएगा B. John Wilamatam versus Union of India AIR 2003 SC 2902. Section 13 में आएगा C. Kampraj versus Burton Son and Company AIR 1970 SC 1872. ये सेक्शन 19 में आएगा। या फिर D. गवारू गणपति भाई वर्सेस P गणपति भाई AIR 2004 SC 2665 और सेक्शन 18 में आएगा। इसमें ये कोड दिए गए हैं। इसका राइट आंसर है D. क्वेश्चन नंबर 27. A gift was made by a Hindu to his grandson K, who was in existence at the date of the gift, and S grandson who might be born after the date of the gift, and P is born in fact after the date of the gift, who will have the capacity to take the gift. A. S will take the gift. B. K will take the gift. C. P will take the gift and D. None of these. इसका राइट आंसर है B. K will take the gift. Question number 28. In section 6, clause DD was added. A. By the Amending Act 1900. B. By the Amending Act 1929. C. By the Amending Act 2002. D. None of the above. इसका राइट आंसर है B. By the Amending Act 1929. Question number 29. Where the property of deceased Mohammedan was inherited by ABC grandson and W and X daughter. The grandsons took possession of the whole property, entered it in their own names in the Khatoni register, and 2 years later mortgaged it. The daughter first heard to the mortgage when the mortgagee brought the property to sale, and although it does not appear that they had husbands to protect their interests, there was held. A. Covered under section 41 Transfer and Property Act. B. Covered under section 43 Transfer and Property Act. C. Barred by section 43 Transfer and Property Act. D. Barred by section 41 Transfer and Property Act. इसका राइट आंसर है D. Barred by section 41 Transfer Act. इसका राइट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 30. The amendments made the Amending Act of 1929 both under the Transfer and Property Act as well as the Registration Act of 1908 to even unregistered documents for the purpose of section 53A has now been withdrawn by the amendments made by the Registration and other related laws. Amendment Act 2001, which has come into force with effect from A. 1st September 2001. B. 23rd September 2001. C. 26th September 2001. D. 24 September 2001. इसका राइट आंसर है D. 24 September 2001. क्वेश्चन नंबर 31. ये आएगा हमारा लिमिटेशन एक्ट। द लिमिटेशन अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 1969 came with effect from the date A. 25th March 1969. B. 23rd March 1969. C. 26th March 1969. D. 24th March 1969. इसका राइट आंसर है C. 26th March 1969. क्वेश्चन नंबर 32. The Limitation Act 1963 extend to Sikkim and came into force on A. 1st January 1984. B. 1st September 1984. C. 24th August 1984. D. 23rd August 1984. इसका राइट आंसर है C. 24th August 1984. Question number 33. On the Third Law Commission recommendation, the Limitation Bill was introduced in the Lok Sabha on 23rd December 1960, but it lapsed on account of dissolution of the Lok Sabha. It was again introduced in Parliament in the year A. 1961. B. 1968, C 1963 and D 1962। इसका राइट आंसर है D 1962। क्वेश्चन नंबर 34, मैच लिस्ट 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer by using the codes given below the lists। list 1, list 2। A, effect acknowledgement in writing 1, section 24। B, continuing wrong, section 25। C, acquisition of casement by prescription, section 18। D, computation of time, section 22। कोड्स, इसका राइट आंसर है A। क्वेश्चन नंबर 35, मैच द लिस्ट 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer by using the codes given below the lists। list 1, list 2। A, section 5 of limitation act, when the court closed period expire। B, section 3 of limitation act, disability of one of several persons। C, section 4 of limitation act, condonation of delay। and D, section 7 of limitation act, bar of limitation। ये इसके कोड दिए गए हैं, इसका राइट आंसर है C। क्वेश्चन नंबर 36, द लिमिटेशन पीरियड फ्रॉम द डेट ऑफ द एक्स पार्टी डिग्री इज A 60 days, B 90 days, C 120 days and D 30 days। इसका राइट आंसर है D 30 days। क्वेश्चन नंबर 37, मैच लिस्ट 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer by using the codes given below the lists। list 1, list 2। नेम ऑफ द केस, A कृष्णमूर्ति S सतलूर वर्सेस OV नरसिम्हा शेट्टी 2007। 3 SCC 569। एक्सक्लूजन ऑफ टाइम इन लीगल प्रोसीडिंग्स। B तिलक राम वर्सेस नाथू 1967। SC 935 सूट फॉर पोजेशन। C स्टेट ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश वर्सेस महाराजा नरेंद्र AIR 1968। SC 960 एक्नॉलेजमेंट। एंड D दर्शन सिंह वर्सेस गुरदीप सिंह AIR 1995। SC 75 एडवर्स पोजेशन। इसमें भी कोड दिए गए हैं, इसका राइट आंसर है A। Question number 38, in which of the following the Supreme Court had that the expression sufficient cause should be considered with pragmatism in justice oriented approach rather than the technical detection of sufficient cause of explaining every day's delay? A Darshan Singh versus Gurdeep Singh AIR 1995 SC 75। B State and City of Delhi versus Ahmad Jan 2008 10 JTI 79। C Udhyan Jinubai versus RC Bali AIR 1977 SC 1919। and D आनंदी लाल वर्सेस राम नरन AIR 1984 SC 1383। इसका राइट आंसर है B State and City of Delhi versus Ahmad Jan 2008 and JTI 79। Question number 39, where the judgment debtor has by fraud or force prevented the execution of a decree or order within the period of limitation on the application of the judgment debtor made after the expiry of the said period, the court may extend the time for execution of decree provided such application is made within 1 year from the date of the discovery of fraud under section A 1 Section 17 Clause 2 of the TP Act। B Section 18 Clause 2 of the TP Act। C Section 15 Clause 3 of the TP Act। D Section 15 Clause 5 of the TP Act। इसका राइट आंसर है A 1 Section 17 Clause 2 of the TP Act। Question number 40, in which of the following cases the Supreme Court had that a suit for damages for wrongful detention of goods is based on different footing vice versa continuing wrong? The period of limitation would run from time when property is wrongfully taken। A Shankar Dostidar versus Banjula Dostidar AIR 2007 SC 514। B Tilak Ram versus Nathu AIR 1967 SC 935। C Wonder Singh versus Nihal Singh 2003-4 SCC 161। and D Asian Resort Limited versus Usha Pre Company Limited AIR 2002 SC 55। इसका राइट आंसर है A शंकर दोस्तीदार वर्सेस मंजुला दोस्तीदार AIR 2007 SC 514। Question number 41, under the HP Urban Rent Control Act 1987, which court has the power to transfer proceedings? A Supreme Court, B High Court, C District Court, D all of these courts। इसका राइट आंसर है B High Court। Question number 42, under which of the following sections the residential building converted into a non-residential building? A Section 13 HPURCF। B Section 14 HPURCF। C Section 12 HPURCF। and D Section 11 HPURCF। इसका राइट आंसर है C Section 12 HPURCF। Question number 43, every landlord shall be bound to keep the building or rented land and in good and turntable repairs, under which section of HP Urban Rent Control Control Act 1971. A. Section 13 Clause 3 of the Act. B. Section 13 Clause 1 of the Act. C. Section 10 Clause 2 of the Act. And D. Section 11 Clause 3 of the Act. इसका राइट आंसर है B. Section 13 Clause 1 of the Act. Question number 44. How many schedules are there in HP Urban Rent Control Act? A 1, B 2, 3, C 3 and D 4. इसका राइट आंसर है B 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 45. The landlord shall not claim or receive any premium or other like sum in addition to fair rent or any rent in excess of such fair rent, but the landlord may stipulate for and receive in advance an amount not exceeding 1 month rent provided under A. Section 8 clause of the Act. B. Section 5 clause 1 clause A of the Act. C. Section 5 clause 4 clause C of the Act. And D. Section 7 clause 1 clause A of the Act. इसका राइट आंसर है D. Section 7 clause 1 clause A of the Act. Question number 46. In which of the following cases are related to HP Urban Rent Control Act? A. Ram Murthy versus Bholenath. B. Santosh Mehta versus Om Prakash and others. C. Both A and B. And D. None of the above. इसका राइट आंसर है C. Both A and B. Question number 47. On which date HP Urban Rent Control Act came into force? A. 17th November 1971. B. 26th January 1971. C. 17th November 1987 and D. 26th January 1987. इसका राइट आंसर है A. 17th November 1971. Question number 48. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer by using the codes given below the lists. List 1, list 2. A. Tenant. Section 28. B. Scheduled building. Section 16. C. Leases of vacant buildings. Section 2 clause I. D. Execution of orders. Section 2 clause H. इसमें कोर्स दिए गए हैं. इसका राइट आंसर है A. क्वेश्चन नंबर 49. Which of the following section of HP Urban Rent Control Act 1971 prescribes penalties for the contravention of the provisions of section 10, 11, 12 or 24 of the Act 1971? A. Section 30. B. Section 31. C. Section 25 and D. Section 28. इसका राइट आंसर है C. Section 25. क्वेश्चन नंबर 50. Under which sections of the HP Urban Rent Control Act 1987 overprove summon and enforce attendance of witnesses? A. Section 26. B. Section 28. C. Section 25. D. Section 27. इसका राइट आंसर है C. Section 25.